Now the transfer of heat. This was all about temperature. Now heat is transferred from one molecule to another on the basis of difference in the temperature, from a higher temperature body to a lower temperature body. This is called the transfer of heat. There are three modes of transfer of heat: conduction, convection, and radiation. So, first one, conduction. It is that mode of transfer of heat in which heat travels from particle to particle in contact, जो आपस में contact में है, along the direction of fall of temperature. उस डायरेक्शन में हीट ट्रांसफर होगी जहाँ पे टेम्परेचर डिक्रीज कर रहा है विदाउट द डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ पार्टिकल्स. इट अकर्स इन सॉलिड्स. सॉलिड में मॉलिक्यूल्स टाइटली पैक्ड होते हैं, तो एक पार्ट को अगर हीट देंगे दैट विल बी ट्रांसफर्ड टू the other part through the molecules which are in contact. आपस में molecules contact में है, एक molecule दूसरे को heat देगा, दूसरा तीसरे को, and so on. This is the process of conduction. This occurs in solids. Convection. Convection is the process in which heat is transferred from one point to another by physical movement of heated particles, like molecules take the heat and go away from the source of heat. For example, if a liquid in a vessel is heated, placed on a burner, after some time top surface of liquid becomes warm. This is because the molecules move away and take the heat from the source. The molecules having more kinetic energy rise upward and carry heat with them. So this occurs in liquids and gases. This is the process of convection. For example, heating of water, cooling of transformers, heating of rooms by heater, these are all done with the process of convection. Now, the third process is the radiation. It is the process of heat transfer in which heat is transmitted from one place to another without heating the intervening medium. बीच के medium को वो heat नहीं करता. These are emitted by a body on the account of its temperature and travel with the velocity of light. जैसे sun से हमें sunlight मिल रही है, it contains heat and it is we are receiving heat by the process of radiation. All the bodies around us emit these radiations. These are electromagnetic waves. And the properties of heat radiations are they do not require a medium for their propagation because sunlight comes to us even traveling through vacuum. So they do not require medium. They travel in straight line. They do not heat the intervening medium. बीच के medium को heat नहीं करती हैं. These are electromagnetic waves. They travel with the velocity of light, that is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. They undergo reflection, refraction, interference, etc. And they obey inverse square law. So this is all about transfer of heat. We stop here.